Okay, dear students, next we are going to study multiplication stories or word problem. The statement will be given and you have to read that statement and write the steps and you have to find the answer. So you can take page number 134. Heading you can say multiplication stories. First we are going to do that example question. You have to read the question twice and while you are reading the question itself we can write the steps also. First let me read that question. If one magazine cost rupees 85, how much do 25 such magazine cost? For example, cost of one sweet is 10 rupee and cost of 5 sweets. How can you find? Cost of one sweet is 10 rupee and the cost of 5 sweet will be 50 rupees. That is 10 into 5, 50. Example, cost of 10 sweet is or cost of one sweet is 10 rupees. And what is the cost of 5 sweets? How can we find? Cost of one sweet into number of sweets. How many are there? 5. So it is 50. Okay. The same way we are going to do. Now let us read one by one sentence and write the steps. If one magazine cost rupees 85, that means cost of one magazine equal to rupees 85, that we can write the steps. Cost of one magazine equal to rupees 85. Cost of one magazine equal to rupees 85. Now read the rest of the question. How much do 25 such magazine cost? Now here we have to find the cost of 25 magazines. How can, before that we have to write the step. How many magazines are there? Total how many magazines? 25. So what is the second step? Number of magazines. Equal to 25. Now what we have to find? Cost of 25 such magazines. So what's the next step? Cost of 25 magazines. Cost of 25 magazines. How can we find? Cost of one magazine into number of magazine. What is the cost of one magazine? 85. Into number of magazines. How many numbers are there? How much are there? 25. So 85 into 25 is the cost of 25 magazines. So let us do the multiplication. While you are doing the multiplication, you have to do it in the working column. Here since I have no space, I am doing here 85 into 25. First write 85 into. Now 25. Where should I write? Start writing from ones place. 5 and 2. Now we can multiply. First you can start multiplying with 5. 5 into 5, 25. Put that 5 here and 2 as carry over. 5 into 8. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 2, 42. Okay, is it clear? Now we are going to start multiplying with 2. So 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is 10 and just write it below this 2. 0 here and that one as carry over to the next place. Now 2 into 8. 2 into 8, 16 plus this carry over 1, 17. If you want you can put 0 here and here. Now we are going to add. Start adding from ones place. 5 plus 0 is 5. Any number plus 0 is that number itself. Now 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 7 is 11. And 1 here and carry over as 1. Now 1 plus 0 is 1 itself. That 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is the answer? 2120.